I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never.
We genuinely appreciate what you've done, and I'm delighted you're all here to celebrate this great day.
Been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock.
On a more serious note, I can honestly say I've never seen so Baz happy in life. Leanne and Bobby coming into Baz's life is the single best thing to ever happen to him.
On your sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows, throwing baseballs.
48 hours, Barry's life changed forever. He happened to meet the most wonderful girl, Leanne. I never thought I'd see the day that Barry would be as happy as he is. And between Leanne and Bobby, and I want to thank you both, you've absolutely made his life.
Mom packed me a brown bag every day.
Barry, do you take Leanne in marriage to be your wedded wife, to share your life with your friend, your lover, your companion, to grow together in spirit and in truth and in forsaking all others?
I do.
And do you, Leanne, take Barry in marriage to be your wedded husband, to share your life as your friend, your lover, your companion, to grow together in spirit and in truth and in forsaking all others?
I quit playing ball at age 15. Traded my new bat for an old guitar. It broke Dad's heart, but he still loved me. And he was there at every show. No more jersey, just tuxedos.
I, Leanne,
Take you, Barry,
to
be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband,
To have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health,
To laugh what you enjoy,
to laugh with you in joy,
and grieve with you in sorrow.
and grieve with you in sorrow.
I promise to love you forever,
I promise to love you forever,
and to be faithful to you alone,
and be faithful to you alone,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
I, Barry,
Take you, Leanne,
take Leanne
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife,
To have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
for better, for worse,
better, for worse,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health,
To laugh what you enjoy,
to laugh what you enjoy,
and grieve with you in sorrow.
and grieve with you in sorrow.
I promise to love you forever,
I promise to love you forever,
and to be faithful to you alone,
and to be faithful to you alone,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
I'm so happy that you have each other, and I wish you every happiness for now and today and always, and I love you to bits.
Now look, everyone has their bets going on. I apologise. I'm sorry for getting emotional. Barry, Leanne, I love you to bits. Leanne, welcome to the Conway family. And can we all raise a glass to Barry and Leanne Conway?
I got this feeling I can't describe. There's magic in the air, the world has come alive. And when I see you, you make my whole.
Baz has gone through a lot in life, and to finally see his life complete with these two amazing people, it really is a pleasure to watch.
Ladies and gentlemen, could you all please stand? Can everybody please give our newlyweds, Mrs. and Mrs. Conway, a big round of applause.
You walked in and you opened my eyes. Can't
finally, but definitely not my bride, my wife, my life, Leanne. It is out there. I have found my soulmate. I love you so much, and it's an honour to now be a family with you. It is an honour.
And I believe, and I don't know where this story will go. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, something in your touch, baby, the way that your body's moving me, and I don't know where this all will go. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, there's something I could never see. Now my
Can I ask you all kindly to be upstanding and put your hands together as we welcome your bride and groom, the new Mr. and Mrs. Conway.
out of nowhere into my life.